In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom add to cart button in Shopify. Before we jump into the actual customization of the button, we first need to make sure your store is properly set up with a custom domain through your Shopify dashboard. This helps give your store a more professional look and builds trust with your customers, which is especially important when you start tweaking things like your add to cart experience. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your store overview, recent activity, and quick shortcuts. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, as any changes you make will only apply to the active store you're currently viewing. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store's core configuration options, from payments and checkout to shipping and domains. We're going to focus on the domain settings because your custom domain is what your customers will see in the browser when they click that Add to Cart button on your storefront. Inside the settings panel, find and click on Domains. This page shows you all the domains connected to your store. You'll usually see your default Shopify domain here, along with any custom domains you might have already purchased or connected. If you don't yet have a custom domain, this is where you can grab one directly through Shopify. On the domains page, click on the option that says Buy New Domain. This will open a search interface where you can look for domain names that match your brand. Take a moment to think about something that's short, easy to spell, and clearly connected to your business. Type your desired name into the search bar, and Shopify will show you which versions are available, often with different extensions such as .com, store, or others. When you see a domain you like, click on Buy next to that custom domain. If you don't see the perfect one right away, you can keep searching until you're happy. After you click Buy, Shopify will take you to a final checkout page. Here, carefully review all your purchase details, including the domain name spelling, the price, and the billing information. Once everything looks correct, confirm the purchase by clicking on Buy Domain to complete the transaction. After a short setup period, your custom domain will be active and ready to use with your store, giving you a solid foundation for the custom